Today we will learn some formal and informal questions and answers in German. As said earlier, Germans follow the formal and informal speech when they address people. Formal is being said to the people who are new to them or the higher hierarchical people or somebody who you met for the first time. Informal is used for the family members, people younger to you, or maybe your acquaintances. So do remember, when you are meeting a person for the first time, address the person formally, that is Sie. Literally in English, we don't have any formal or informal addressing. But in Telugu or Hindi, in our regional languages, we have the two types of addresses, formal and informal. For example, in Telugu, if I meet my boss, I will ask him, "Me peru emiti?" Or if I am talking to a young student, I will ask him, "Nee peru enti? Tumhara naam kya hai? Aapka naam kya hai?" So in Hindi, English, we have the distinguishes between formal and informal speech. Likewise, in German too, we have the formal and informal speech. So let's begin. To ask someone about their well-being, the formal question is, "Wie geht es Ihnen?" Wie geht es Ihnen? The informal question, "Wie geht's dir?" Wie geht's dir? Dear sounds very familiar, the person who is very close to you. Whatever is the question, formal or informal, Meeru ela unnaru, Nuvvu ela unnavu. The answer stands the same, Nenu bagunnanu. Yeah? So the answers in German are, Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. Or Mir geht es sehr gut. Mir geht es sehr gut. Mir geht es so lala. Mir geht es so lala. It is a kind of not too good or no bad. It's going on well. Or es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. On the day of your question, suppose you are not well or something is not really happening good with you. How do you answer the negative? Mir geht es schlecht. Mir geht es schlecht. Mir geht es nicht gut. Mir geht es nicht gut. Es geht mir schlecht. Es geht mir schlecht. Or simply you can say es geht. Es geht. As you reply, if you want to ask the person on the other side how they are, you say it as, Mir geht es gut, danke, und Ihnen. Mir geht es gut, danke, und Ihnen. That is, I am fine, thank you, and how are you? Or, Mir geht es gut, danke, und dir. Mir geht es gut, danke, und dir. Or simply, gut, danke. Gut, danke. You can also use the other terms like toll, prima, super in your statements. Mir geht es toll. Mir geht es toll. Mir geht es prima. Mir geht es prima. Mir geht es super. Mir geht es super. So once you finish asking them how they are and about their well-being, now comes is to inquire about the name. What's their name, and then goes where are they staying, where are they from. So first let us learn how to ask what is their name. Learning how to ask about someone's name or inquire about a family in German is a great way to get to know people. Even if you just want to learn to make a small talk, these kinds of questions will come up. Rules for addressing German people tend to be stricter than in many other cultures. Learning the rules will help keep you from being unintentionally rude. That is, if you meet an elder person or a person meeting for the first time, never use the informal question. So, below are some common questions which will help you to question the person formally or informally. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? That is, మీ పేరు ఏమిటి? आपका नाम क्या है? Formal. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? నీ పేరు ఏంటి? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Informal. Whatever is the question, మీ పేరు ఏమిటి? నీ పేరు ఏంటి? The answer is నా పేరు. Yeah, so to say that నా పేరు or मेरा नाम, in German we say ich heiße. Ich heiße Kumari. Your name now? Good. Now, there are 3 different ways to question their names, to inquire their name. మీరు ఎలా పిలవబడతారు? మీరు ఎవరు? आप कौन है? आपका नाम क्या है? So, the similarities of what we have in Telugu and Hindi, the same thing is followed in German too. So, the other way to find out or inquire the name is, wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist Ihr Name? Formal. Now the informal. Wie ist dein Name? Wie ist dein Name? The answer, mein Name ist. Mein Name ist. Mein Name ist Kumari. The other way, where sind Sie? आप कौन हैं? మీరు ఎవరు? Formal. Where sind Sie? Now the informal. Wer bist du? నువ్వు ఎవరు? तुम कौन हो? Wer bist du? Ich bin. Ich bin. Ich bin Kumari. So, now you have learnt 3 ways to question what is the name and 3 ways to answer the name. Let us have a quick recap of all these 3 questions. Let us look at the formal questions first. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist Ihr Name? Wer sind Sie? Where sind Sie? Now the informal questions. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Wie ist dein Name? Wie ist dein Name? Wer bist du? Where bist du? Start questioning your friends now so that you will get acquainted to the language faster, and then you will know how to question and answer them in case if they are raising questions to you.